Good morning, students. Today we start similar triangle. First upon, any triangle have three sides and three angle. The most important condition are to identify similar triangles are their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides in proportion. Okay, what is the definition of similar triangle? If two triangles are similar, means their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding side in proportion. First of all, what is corresponding sides in proportion? Corresponding sides in proportion means ratio of all three pairs of corresponding sides will be equal. Explanation by using figure. This is the figure of two triangle. First figure is triangle ABC and second is triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if ABC correspondence PQR, triangle ABC, how many sides? Three sides. First side AB, side AC and side BC. And triangle PQR, three sides, side PQ, side PR and side QR. Their corresponding sides in proportion means AB की corresponding side कौन सी है? PQ, BC की QR और AC की कौन सी है? PR. Therefore, their corresponding sides in proportion means ratio of AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CA upon PR. Next, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angle. In triangle ABC, there are three angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. And also triangle PQR, there are also three angles. Angle P, angle Q and angle R. What is the corresponding angle of A? Angle A का corresponding angle P. Angle B का angle Q और angle C का angle R. Their corresponding angles are equal means angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R. If we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, if corresponding side in proportion and corresponding angles are equal. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is in symbolic representation triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This sign represents the triangle similar. Test of similarity of triangle. In 8th standard, we study the test for similarity of triangle, SAS test, AAS test, hypotenuse test, angle side test, side test. There are some tests are given in 10th standard. First, upon similarity of two triangles, the necessary condition are that their corresponding side are proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. There are 6 conditions. 3 angles are equal and 3 sides are in proportion. But out of this condition, similarity of two triangle, only 3 specific conditions are sufficient. The most important thing, similarity of two triangle, only 3 specific conditions are sufficient. First test, AAA test for similarity of triangle. AAA test means angle test. Angle test. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence ABC is correspondence PQR if angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q and angle C congruent to angle R. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangle, first triangle is triangle ABC and second triangle is triangle PQR. If two triangles are similar by using AAA test, if and only if corresponding angle of two triangle are congruent, means angle A corresponding angle of A angle P and corresponding angle of B is angle Q, corresponding angle of angle C is angle R. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R. Next test, AA test. For a given 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Suppose this is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If angle A is 60 degree, then corresponding angle of A is angle P. and measure of angle P is also 60 degree. Then angle B, suppose angle B, measurement of angle B is 70 degree. Then angle corresponding angle of angle B is Q, angle Q, and measurement of angle Q is again 70 degree. Then remaining angle C and angle R. Angle A का measurement 60 degree, angle B का measurement 70 degree, and we know that the sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, the remaining measurement 60 plus 70, 130, and the remaining measurement angle C is 50 degree. And then obviously in triangle PQR also measurement of angle R is also 50 degree. Therefore, AA test for a given one corresponds only between the vertices of two triangle if two angle of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding two angle of other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Now next test, SAS test, means side angle side test. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in the same proportion and the angle between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. This is the figure. First figure is triangle KLM and second is triangle RST. For example, if in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM is congruent to angle RST. KL means angle L and angle S are congruent. One angle is congruent and this remaining two sides are in proportion, means KL upon RS is equal to LM upon ST is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, triangle KLM is similar to triangle RST. Next test, SSS test for similarity of triangle. SSS test means side test. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangle, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. For example, if in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, if PQ upon YZ is equal to QR upon XY. Next, PR upon XZ. Then triangle PQR is similar to triangle ZYX. In SSS test, the most important thing is three sides of a triangle are in proportion to corresponding three sides of another triangle. Next, properties of similar triangles. There are three properties are given: reflexivity, symmetry, and transitivity. First property, reflexivity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC, means any triangle is similar to itself. Next, symmetry. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Means first triangle, if first triangle is similar to second triangle, then obviously second triangle is similar to first triangle, and this property is called as the symmetry. And next triangle, transitivity. Transitivity means there are three triangles. Suppose first triangle is similar to second triangle is similar to third triangle, then obviously first triangle is similar to third triangle. Means if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI, and this property is called as the transitivity. Now the examples, and the example number first is in triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to 100 degree, angle Z is equal to 30 degree. In triangle KLM, angle M is equal to 100 degree and angle N is equal to 30 degree. R, triangle XYZ and triangle LMN are similar if S by which test? This is the figure, triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. Measurement of angle Y is 100 degree and corresponding angle is angle M, and angle M is also 100 degree, and angle Z is equal to 30 degree and angle N is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, solution in triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, angle Y is equal to 100 degree, angle M is equal to 100 degree. Given both the angle Y and angle M measurement is same, therefore these two angles are congruent. Therefore, angle Y is congruent to angle M. Also, angle Z is equal to 30 degree, angle N is equal to 30 degree. Both angle Z and angle N measurement is 30 degree same. Therefore, angle Z is congruent to angle N. Therefore, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN by AA test. Next, second example, and second example is activity based, and this is the homework for you. What is the example? In the adjoining figure, BP is perpendicular to AC, CQ is perpendicular to AB, APC, AQB means P lies between A and C, and here Q is lies between A and B. Then prove that triangle APB and triangle AQC are similar. This is the figure and homework for you. Now the next practice set 1.3, and in practice set 1.3 example number first is, in figure angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. What is given? First, given things are angle ABC is equal to 75 degree means measurement of angle B is 75 degree, and angle EDC is equal to 75 degree means angle D is also 75 degree. Solution, this is the figure. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, here two triangle. First triangle is ABC, this is the first triangle, and second triangle is EDC. Angle ABC is congruent to angle EDC because given angle ABC is equal to 75 degree and angle EDC is also 75 degree. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. And here angle ABC and angle EDC, angle C is common. Therefore, angle C is congruent to angle C. Reason, what is the reason? Common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC by AA test for similarity. In practice set 1.3 example number second is homework, and example number 3 is, as shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? This is the figure. And solution is pole PR and pole AC from shadow QR and BC. Shadow of two poles at the same time forms two similar triangle. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC by AA test. PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. What is given here? Height is 4 and 8 is given, and this is the base. QR is 6 and BA. To find the BC, and this is the X. Therefore, what is the value of PR is 4 and value of AC is 8. Therefore, 4 upon 8 is equal to value of QR is 6 and value of BC to find. Therefore, X, cross multiplication, 4 into X, 4X, 6 into 8, 4x is equal to 6 into 8, 48. X in this side and 4 multiply in this side, divide. Therefore, X is equal to 48 upon 4 and X is equal to 12 meter. Now the example